I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use F-blocks in Geometry Dash. First, locate the F-block in the Editor's Build tab, usually found among the Special Objects. These blocks are crucial for creating dynamic gravity changes, letting your icon adhere to surfaces. They function similarly to blue gravity pads but offer more customization. Understanding their basic placement is your first step to integrating them into your levels. To place an F-block, simply select it from the special objects in your editor and position it within your level. Once placed, access its properties by selecting the block and clicking Edit Object. Here, you can adjust the force setting, which determines how strongly the player is pulled to the surface. A higher force value means a stronger pull, offering varied gameplay experiences. Experiment with different values to find the perfect feel for your level. F-blocks truly shine when combined with triggers. To make an F-block interactive, assign it a unique group ID using the Edit Group option. Then, place a toggle trigger in your level. In the Toggle Triggers Edit Object menu, input the F-block's group ID. By checking or unchecking Activate Group, you can dynamically turn the F-block's gravity effect on or off, creating surprising and challenging gameplay sequences for players. For advanced usage, try layering multiple F-blocks with distinct group ID, each controlled by different triggers, to create intricate gravity puzzles. The range option in the F-block settings allows the force to vary depending on where the player collides with it, adding a nuanced touch. Always remember to provide clear visual indicators, perhaps with glow or color, so players understand when an F-block is active. This ensures your level is challenging yet fair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.